guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a Workout Wednesday video. If you guys don't know, I post a workout every single Wednesday over here. This is a full workout that I have recently done. So this is a push day, aka chest, triceps, and shoulders. I do this once a week, and then my other upper body day of the week is a pull day, aka back and biceps. But this is a push day, so chest, triceps, and shoulders, and also my favorite ab exercise. So recently I've been starting to incorporate doing core during both of my upper body sessions of the week, and then I also isolate core a third day of the week during my cardio and core day. So really trying to emphasize core engagement, doing like specific core exercises during each of my upper body days of the week, and then also once during my cardio and core sesh of the week. So this is actually my favorite core exercise ever. I do this every single week, no matter what. And yeah, so check that out at the end of this video, and let's hop right into the workout. was the workout of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is one of my 2 upper body days a week. Personally, I divide my upper body days into push and pull. So chest, triceps, and shoulders once a week, and then back and biceps once a week, and then recently adding in core with each of those every single week going forward. Really pushing myself, reminding myself to train core explicitly. Haven't done that for a while, so definitely trying to do that and holding myself accountable for that. But if you guys are curious about my workouts more, my Lift With Syd program linked down below is basically my online personal training platform that my online PT clients get access to, but with my own workout programs in them. So like workouts like this are all uploaded in there, allowing you to track your workouts just like I do, just like my PT clients do. So if you want to do this workout and really emphasize progressive overload, tracking your workouts, my Lift With Syd program gives you access to all of my workouts. So check that out down below. And then also if you're looking for a more tailored program for you, including nutrition and as well as personalized workouts, you can check out my online PT application down below. So that's for someone who needs a little bit more guidance, is looking for more one-on-one support and things like that. So go check those out down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this workout, and I'll see you in the next one.